Hello my YouTube followers. So today I'm going to replace cluster Volkswagen Golf 2010 model. So this cluster has problem with the ABS light. So even ABS model faulty, the ABS warning light not blinking. So fault with the cluster warning light, ABS warning light. So we're gonna replace the second-hand cluster. So I'm gonna remove the old one. So I'm gonna put back the second-hand one. So I'm just connecting the connector back and just put inside. That's it. So I'm not going to fix all the screws and trims for time being. So main purpose of this video, just programming and coding the cluster and servicing place as well. So you can see the now second-hand one is already fitted. So make sure your battery charge is connected to the vehicle. So that's the most important. So I'm using genuine software, diagnostic software for the VW vehicle. So it's called Odis. So I'm doing all the reprogramming and the coding and service employed through the Odis tester. So you have to select correct engine code and model and year as well. So now scanning all the control units. So I'm going to body, electrical system, instrument cluster function, and replace control unit number 17. So you have to perform you have to forward that test plan. So it will take all the steps through all the steps. So you have to make sure you get access your ID and password with you. So it's read all the reading on cluster and done. Select number 1, ignition off, and select done. and now replace the new cluster, so which is we already done. So again switch on the ignition. Yep, switch on the ignition. And done. Done.
Distance එක ප්‍රශ්නේ හින්දා ඒ හින්දා පින්න කියන්නේ ඒක උඩ ඩන් කරා
Done.
උඹ
Yep, so it'll come with the all the test plan, so adapting and anti-thief in places, so you have to put that too. So we'll switch on the hazard to wake up the candidate bus. So just need to make sure the CAN system not go in sleep mode. So that's the purpose of the turning on the hazard lights. So now you have to make sure your Gecko ID and password you have went on there. So we're gonna enter our Gecko password, username and password.
Okay. Click කරන්න employees ठीक है okay.
So now this test is connect to the online system, online portal, and it will download all the data and all the necessary information to the vehicle. So it might take little while. Yep, make it okay.
Start කරලා එකක් පෙන්වන්න තමයි හොඳ. ඔයාලන්නේ.
Done.
නේ.
Done.
කී එක කරන්න ඕනේ.
එකක කියන්නේ.
ඔව්. Okay. What again? Successfully adapter counter up switch off ignition with the next key up. මේ වගර next key එක වෙන්නේ නැහැ.
ඔව් දැන් මේ එක කියලා වැටෙන මට.
Irak bilmeye verin. Bir gelip bitirdim.
So switch off ignition. done. Switch on again. Done. So replacing programming the controller, it is successful. So now we need to correction the mileage, so we can't use the Odis to recorrect the mileage. So yes, we can do from the Odis engineering, but from the Odis is cannot do second-hand clusters. So it should be the new one, only new one we can adjust the mileage. This is a mileage, and so for that we had to use another tool. So we will talk about the procedure mileage correction on next video. So need to add the remote key as well. So thank you very much for watching our YouTube channel. Thanks.